In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. Specifically, you'll learn how to add and customize page numbers so your document looks polished and professional. Whether you're preparing a report, an essay, or a proposal, consistent page numbering helps readers navigate and makes your work look intentional. Start with your Google Doc open. Look to the top toolbar and click Format. This menu contains layout and styling options for your entire document, and it's where the page numbering tools live. If your window is small and you don't see all menu items, try maximizing your browser or zooming out slightly so the format menu is visible. Next, click Page Numbers. This opens a small panel that shows the main page numbering choices. Here, you'll see visual options for where the numbers will appear, typically at the top right in the header or at the bottom right in the footer. Some layouts include the first page, and others start from the second page, which is helpful if your first page is a title page and you don't want a number showing there. Choose the position that best matches your style guide or preference. A common academic choice is bottom right, while some professional documents prefer top right for a cleaner footer. After you select a position, look for the Start at setting. This lets you control the first number that appears. By default, it will start at 1, but you can change it if needed. For example, if your document is part of a larger collection, or you're continuing numbering from a previous section, you might start at a higher number. If your first page is a cover page and you chose a layout that hides the number on that page, you can still start at 1 here. The numbering will display from the second page as 2 automatically. Once you've chosen your position and the starting number, click Apply. Google Docs will insert the page numbers in the header or footer based on your selection. Scroll through a couple of pages to confirm they appear where you expect and that the sequence looks right. That's it. Done. If you ever want to change the placement or starting number, simply return to Format, then Page Numbers, adjust your choices, and click Apply again. If you need more control over the look, you can open the header or footer and customize spacing or alignment after the numbers are in place. This quick setup keeps your document organized and ready for sharing, printing, or